Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at CarePatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Habit Tracker template. So what is a Habit Tracker template? A habit tracker is a type of tool designed to help the user keep track of their daily habits, either daily, weekly, or monthly. It can appear in different forms, like an app on your smartphone, or a chart or table. You can include jogging outside the house, reading a chapter of a book daily, meditating, and much more. The sky's the limit when it comes to the habits you want to create. For every habit you complete, you can mark it off the chart and then tally it to know how many times you did that good habit in a month. This way, you can see a visual representation of how many of your habits you've done, which can create an awareness of good and healthy habits, as well as provide you with the motivation and inspiration to establish a routine. While anyone can use habit trackers, they're very useful for therapists, psychologists, and more. Here's how to use habit trackers effectively. The first step is to download the template. You'll then need to fill it out, ticking out the days that you fulfill the habit. Make sure to make a list of all the habits you would like and total your scores for the month, or weekly, depending on when you'd like to track the habits. To view a sample assessment of the habit tracker, feel free to visit carepatron.com, where you can download and access the tracker for free. You can also access the habit tracker through our platform. Filter by community and assessment, and you can also type in the keywords to find the note faster. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to CarePatron to view more healthcare videos.